In this video, I'll show you how to configure components. Components let you build a product using modular parts. For example, the cushion you see on this sofa is actually a component. When we define the cushion as a component for this product, Folio helps us quickly create a separate product for the cushion. Once that's done, the cushion becomes a selectable component of the sofa. Now, open your main product. On the product detail page, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Configure Components. Enter a slot name and click Create a Slot. To add your component product, click Edit on the slot and then select Add Product. Here, we choose our cushion product as the component. After selecting the product, you can update the quantity to the required amount. Once everything is set, click Save to complete the process. And that's how easy it is to add components.